Hello and welcome to another one of our product unboxing videos. Today we're going to be unboxing the Morphy Richards Fastbake Breadmaker. It's capable of doing up to 3 loaf sizes, has a cool touch feature and is a 600 watt. It's purchased from Amazon. It comes in this nice box.
Breads, I think you can stick jams and marmalades in there. Makes doughs, pizzas, rolls. You make the dough for the rolls and you have to put it in the oven. You make the whole bread loaf in there from what I've seen. With it in a tin. The bread, and I think it's got a timer on things. What we're going to do, we're just going to unbox this, just show you what the product is like, and then the next video will be probably not me, somebody else making a loaf of bread.
Any bits on the side of it?
I think it's just a repeat of the front, really. With different. Basically, the old emphasis: delicious bread within an hour.
So step-by-step instructions. It's got removable baking pan, which is handy, so you can take it out and let it cool down.
Some of the other reviews I've seen is this pan lasts for about 200 loaves, which is quite a while. To replace this is about £20 the replacement tin. Another crucial thing apparently is that it has a mixing paddle at the bottom of this tin. You mix the dough, empty the dough out, remove the little mixing paddle, bake your bread. I think that's quite important. Yeah. Otherwise you end up with your mixing paddle or hook, dough hook in it. Right, so I'm going to put this on the floor because it makes life easier for me. And I'm going to get a set of scissors because I know normally things are tied to bits. So it came in a big box from Amazon. That's always handy. It's got a helpline there, so that's what you expect from somebody like Morphy Richards. The manual, which we'll have a look when we make the bread, but looking at that looks quite comprehensive.
There's different chapters to it.
There's a little extra bit in there. Fastbake's on about pre-made stuff. You can get it all in a bag and just add water to some bread mixes. But okay, so it's well packaged. Oh, not too much packaging. Normally it's like wedged in it. Initial thing, it looks bigger than I thought it was. I'll try and pull this out. Forgive my dress and forgive some bits here, but we're still doing the house up, so it's probably a daft thing to say, but nice quality bag. You can actually put that back over. You could reuse that just to keep it clean and tidy. It's such a good quality bag. Okay. Lead's fairly long.
Enough for a kitchen counter.
Yeah, type protected. So to a lot of people, I'm going to say wouldn't be important, but I know it is. It's got these grip features here. Yeah, rubber plug. The grip feature. So if you're putting it in and you're a little bit older or you've got arthritis, it's easy to pull out and plug in, etc. Some people that will be irrelevant. To us, it's quite important. The only thing I would say is I thought we were getting a white one. That's grey.
Yeah, the colour on the box is different to that.
Yeah, so just bear that in mind.
Slightly off, but it's not a big deal.
Well, it's not white, it's grey. So
yeah, it's like a
why that is.
Off. It's weird.
It's not a problem. I don't know. Perhaps that's all they had. So we got some Amazon for 60 quid. It said 70 quid off. That might be why we've got a grey one and not a white one. But
that colour in person is different from one on the box, but that might be just the way the video is, guys. The photo's been taken.
Yeah. Okay.
Might have a filter on it.
I think the order said white, but whatever. So you got a lid. It's good quality. Again, well packaged. You've got the baking tin. Got a little measuring cup. Oh, they're measuring spoons for your yeast and stuff. So you get a few little bits with it. This is the mixing panel, this. Get a jug. So you get all your little bits. So it is ready to go. That's important. Now, you would think,
How do you get that out of there?
that would just pull out, wouldn't it?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't, so
this is the front of it. Got all the controls, nice big buttons, and they're sort of got like a glossy effect to them. I wonder if they light up, they might do. And obviously we've just got to figure out how do you get this tin out.
yes, it'll take a few minutes to read this, yeah.
There's an element in the bottom that goes all the way around.
Wash baking tin. Oh, hang on a minute. It looks like you might twist this somehow to take it out. There we go. So to take it out, you twist it.
Anti-clockwise.
Yeah.
What's beneath? That's a little what's beneath it. Oh, there's like a mounting area for it to mount. Let's look at the bottom of it, and that just clips on.
Now, do you remember when we first did the video? I was talking about this is the paddle that spins round. That's obviously a motor there. There's a peg there, and you put that on there. Just slides on. It can only go one way because it's got a flat surface on one end. Make sure when you've mixed your dough that you just take that out and you bake your bread. Otherwise, that'll be in your bread. Basically,
yeah, that might help.
I mean, you dig it out; it's not a problem. So just put it back in there and lock it in. That's in. Right. So I'd say, quality-wise, it's a good product.
It looks nice.
Looks nice.
Wouldn't be out of place
Anywhere really. Do you want to plug it in or light it
we'll
up?
just do the unboxing. Then we'll do the unboxing for this video, and we'll probably do another video showing it all lit up and us doing some bread.
It does say in here, so this is an amendment to the instructions after. So this was printed after this was printed, basically. It's saying about pre-packet mixes, 500-gram mix you can purchase from. Just add water to it, so you can do that, or add your water and your yeast and make your own thing. I've got limited experience making bread myself. I know you need strong flour. I know it comes in varieties of different flours. It's all on Google, and I know you can make some nice bread. So, and guess it stops wastage. That's why we bought it, because we throw a lot of bread away. We just need the odd loaf now and then. Yeah. So it makes you a bit more self-sufficient, especially in the climate we're in. Bearing in mind this is 2020, and we're in March. And we've got a lot of media coverage about the coronavirus at the moment, so
we just wanted to be able to do.
If they do run out of bread, you've got a bit of flour, perhaps you won't run out of bread. That's all.
Right, thanks for watching, and we'll as I said, we'll probably upload a video just showing the unit working and a few bits you can do with it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hello, and welcome to another one of our review videos. So we've already done an unboxing for this Morphy Richards Fastbake Breadmaker, and as you can see, it's currently running. So we've chosen the extra bake program, light and 1.5 pounds, and it takes around a couple of hours if you look inside it. So this is what it does when it's on, and it's got a bit of heat to it.
I'll just mention the only thing that I found with it, if you focus on the tin, is that when it was actually mixing the dough together, there's quite a bit sticking there and it wasn't quite catching it. So all I did was got a silicone scraper and just pushed it off the sides like that. It's just a little tip. But yeah, no, it seems to be working okay. It smells bready, so we'll do another clip when it's done.
We got the manual anyway. Yeah, so there's obviously, yeah. Don't worry about that. So there's all the programs, and the manual will tell you how to make the different types of breads and what program to select. You can delay it by pressing these, whichever program you selected. Obviously, it has its preset times, and you can delay it if you need to do that. Easy start, stop, loaf size. The cross thing is here. And obviously, as you can see, it's light at the moment, like I just mentioned. And obviously got your bread size, but yeah, really good bit of kit. So if you're looking at buying one, then I don't think you'll be disappointed. And what I'll do is we'll add a bit onto this video, once the bread's made to show you the results. So thanks for watching. Hello and welcome back to the Morphy Richards Fastbake Breadmaker review. So that's finished. We've decided to make a loaf basically, and we'll just show you how it's turned out. And we've mixed it exactly as it says in the manual.
If you could smell it, it smells like a bud. So it's done. We've allowed it to cool a bit. First time we've used this.
So we've waited for it to cool down, obviously, because it's really hot.
I'm hoping that they'll just...
I'm not sure how you get that out there, actually, apart from doing that.
Drops out, sort of thing.
You're supposed to run something round it. Oh, but it's coming out.
Now it wants to come out. Right, okay. I've read a few reviews that paddle down the bottom there sticks in this, but before we used ours, I just put a light coating of oil on it, so it didn't get embedded in there, didn't stick in there. Just bear in mind this is quite hot this time, so that's our first loaf.
And it smells really nice.
It does smell nice. So
this is the first time we've ever made any bread, basically.
yeah, one side's a little bit raised in the other, but I guess that's how it gets mixed. I think what we'll do next is we'll invest in a decent bread knife.
Yeah, definitely. There's not really a proper knife for it. There's quite a bit of steam coming out of it still, so it is. Oh yeah, it's really warm
so
still.
Take the milk away.
So that is what we got.
So we needed oil, strong white flour, we needed yeast, and we needed some instant dry skimmed milk.
And this took about 2 hours to make this on the
I'm going to
cycle.
try that.
What do you reckon?
Well, I'm sure you can taste the difference between homemade bread and shop bread. That's really nice.
Okay, so if you are thinking about buying one of these, we hope our this is the first part of the review has helped, and obviously the second part with showing how it's turned out. But obviously we're not experts at making bread, and we will try all the different ones and learn by it. So
If you get just close up of that,
yeah,
it's really nice. And this was crust one.
Yeah,
Light crust.
yeah.
Different crust
You
types.
can get light, medium, and dark. That was light. So if you look at how it is on light, I don't know if you would want it any more than
That's
that.
the crust on the top.
Yeah. So
I guess you can't. You wouldn't want it too crusty because the bottom it all gets hot and you'd have a real thick crust at the bottom. But I think the top is about right. Looks like the shop sort of thing.
yeah, it looks like something you'd buy.
So it works. First time.
First time's not bad.
Just follow the instructions.
Obviously you'll need these instant dried skim milk. It's like a powder. You can get that from anywhere. Obviously your bread flour, sunflower oil.
Definitely sunflower oil.
You can get these from Co-op, but you can get them from
Fast acting yeast.
and some of this.
And the thing about your flour, must say strong white on it.
Oh yeah.
You generally got a picture of bread.
Yeah, I mean that there is pretty much that without the flour. It's had a sprinkle of flour on this one. It's not far off of it, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing.
So
Right, okay, thanks for watching, and we hope our product unboxing review video for this has helped you.